If you have a cat breeding business and you're looking for an affordable professional website, keep watching this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Marty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and go ahead and search for my market, cat breeder. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our cat breeding business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region over here. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my cat breeding business. And there you have it. It's literally come up with a whole website for me with the basic information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website of all the beautiful cats you are breeding, maybe some certificates images or a little bit more information about your business that you'd like to showcase. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some minor edits to your Marty Sites website. You don't need to know coding and you don't need to be a web professional of any sort. You certainly don't need to hire anyone else to help you with either. So let's get cracking. Let's click on the first section at the top, put in our email address first of all. I want that email address to be visible on my website so customers can easily reach out. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location. Great thing about it is when your customers click on that address when your website's live, will automatically take them to Google Maps for directions. Under update, social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. And update logo. If you've got a logo, go ahead and update it over here. Browse your device to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can make slight amendments to it by clicking on the pencil. You can crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters and frame. But I'm happy, so I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And over here on the right, I can make that logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with Marcy Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, your logo, your marketing, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner. No color coding necessary whatsoever. Awesome. There's so many to choose from. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image first. Now, over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images, or you can search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, you can head over to back to all photo options. Over here, we've recently introduced the feature where you can actually connect your Instagram account, if you have one that is, and pull in all your images from your Instagram accounts and actually select them for each section instead of uploading them all individually. It saves you so much time, very convenient to upload those Instagram accounts. So go ahead and click on connect your Instagram accounts. Under update action is where you can change that button. Currently says contact us today. You can replace that text. You can also choose where that button links to and all the other buttons, various places to link to, as well as uploading a PDF file. Under update content is where we can change that content that was pre-written for your business. Look at that. This looks so professional. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available. Great thing about that free trial is you don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So make sure you click on the link below this video. The last section over here is the lead form where you can capture leads for your business. If your customers have any queries, they'll put in their message over here, details, and click on send, and you'll automatically get notified via your registered email account you have a new lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the button at the bottom. You can set it up by clicking this button over here. Otherwise, if you'd like to actually purchase a custom domain to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, click on the green button. Really hope this tutorial was helpful building a website for your cat breeder business. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.